This TikTok account has over 20 million followers and he's getting millions of views on every single video. You might know him, it's Ray William Johnson, one of the biggest creators on TikTok, and he's making $30,000 every single video with simple crime story videos on TikTok. And that's why I want to clone them with free AI tools. I will solve the three main issues of these crime story videos: finding the perfect video idea, finding the perfect AI avatar, and also creating consistent AI images with the same character in each image with free AI tools. So for that, let's start by analyzing Ray William Johnson videos on TikTok. So if you go to his TikTok account, you will notice that his most watched videos have over 20 or 40 million views. And if you click on them, they are always about a viral story, for example OceanGate, in simple AI images without any movement. It's just simple AI images and a guy telling the story. They go viral because with Ray William Johnson, a nice guy, it's a crazy story, and also it's really well made. Creating these videos with AI is not impossible. That's why we will do that. We will start by creating our first video idea. A good story on TikTok is everything. Without a good story and a good script, your videos won't get any views. You're not getting any trust, and you will not even appear on TikTok For You page. Because the script, what makes a video good and what makes a video bad. So to create a viral script, I would go to one of the viral videos of Ray William Johnson and click on copy the link. Then I would go to TalkScript and enter the link here. This tool will generate a full script with you in just a few seconds that you can just hide the timestamps and just copy all of this. With that, I would go to ChatGPT, put this video script in. It's very long, it's 8 minutes long. You don't need to create videos that long, they just need to be over a minute. And then we have our first TikTok script in just a few seconds. Before we go on, there's something I have to tell you. Right now, I'm collecting 10 people in my community that want to learn how to create actual AI avatar videos that go completely viral. You will make your first $5,000 in just 90 days by just signing up to one-on-one free call. Just go down in the description, go on the website, and book a call with me. It's completely free, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, now let's move on to creating our AI avatar. A good AI avatar will make your videos have either 1 million or 100,000 views. So an AI avatar is one of the most important things to have on your accounts. For that, let's start creating him in just a few seconds. Okay. Now let's create our AI avatar. To create an AI avatar, there's nothing you would need except an image of somebody that you want to recreate. For me, in this case, it's Ray William Johnson. Just go to one of the videos of Ray William Johnson and copy his face. I will do this with the snipping tool. Just copy and save in one of your folders. Then go to ChatGPT and put in that image of him just like that. Then ask ChatGPT, can you create me a JSON prompt describing this man? I want to create a similar image for my YouTube account. With this, a JSON prompt is just a prompt that describes everything in every single detail that you need. And these prompts get way better results than any other prompts. With this, you have a prompt just like this. Copy this and go to one fresh account, one fresh ChatGPT prompt, and now you can change whatever you want. Here you can change anything from, you can switch the black shirt to a red shirt, for example. Let's do a red shirt. Let's go with a happy expression and slick back hair, for example. This is easy. You can do whatever you want here, but just click on this, just click on upload, and the AI ChatGPT will create an AI avatar for you that described what you just put in a JSON prompt. Always gets you the best results that you want. This image is good, but just make him look nicer. But this is a good start, I think. Okay, now that you created your image, download him and go to HeyGen. On HeyGen, you can click on avatars and create a new avatar and click on photo avatar. Here, just upload the image that you just created and click on upload. HeyGen will create a full AI avatar for you in just a few seconds. Here. Now, go here and click on create AI avatar. This is where it gets interesting. Go back to the script that you just created. It should be here somewhere. So go here and copy the script that you just created with ChatGPT. Copy and go to ElevenLabs. Here we will create our AI voice. Just go to text to speech, put in your entire script. I will do it for this example. I will just do an example a little bit shorter than we just did and click on generate speech. In just a few seconds, we have the entire voiceover and download this. Go back to HeyGen and click on audio and upload your audio. Here. Put in your ElevenLabs voiceover and add audio. This makes ElevenLabs and HeyGen just transcribe your entire voiceover and generate a video for you in just a few seconds. With this, we have our talking AI avatar in just a few seconds. This man will represent our AI avatar videos, and we just made them in just a few seconds. Okay, now download him by clicking on download. Okay, now it's time to create our images. How will we create images that have the same character in each and every image, but without paying any money? For that, let's start by going to ChatGPT. Let's go to the script that we just created, and we need some prompts. So go in and say, for the script that you created for me, can you create me 5 different image prompts that I can use to create images dedicated to this story. Make them in detail. Okay, with that, ChatGPT creates us 5 different prompts that we can again just copy and put in our AI tool. Our AI tool for this will be Ideogram. Ideogram is probably the best AI tool to create characters, but this is completely for free. So for this, go here and click on character reference. Here you can just upload one of the images you took. For this, I will go to Google and look for Elon Musk. Just copy one of the images, let's say this image, and just copy it to your browser. Now go back and put in your image. With this, the character reference from Ideogram is so good that you just have to put in an image and it will create images with the same face. Now, let's copy the first prompt and let's go back to Ideogram. Let's put in this prompt, and it's creating something like a cartoon style man with a short dark hair and focused expression working on a futuristic rocket prototype. This is it. That's it. Just select your landscape that you want and click on generate. Within seconds, it's generating not just one, it's just creating 4 images that you want. Normally you have 10 generations left with the free tool, but you can just create different accounts and generate as many images as you want. With this, we get 4 image generations. This isn't perfect. You know, you can see that this image is good, but this and this image aren't that realistic. So we have to fix the prompts. For that, we can go back and say something like, make sure that the AI tool uses the image that I gave it as a reference. The image has everything about the face and hair, so you don't have to describe that in your prompts. Okay, maybe the prompt was wrong. Let's try it again by creating a new prompt. Let's do it again. Let's go back and put in the face of Elon Musk again. Here it is. Put in again and put in the link here. Let's go over this. Here, let's click on generate. Let's see what happens if I do this. and boom, this creates way better images. Look at this. I think this looks really amazing. So for now, let's go to the next prompt, choose this, and let's go back and upload the image of him again. Let's go here and click on image and put in the same prompt again. For this, I just changed this here to comic, and in the settings you can click this off. This will try to make the prompt better, but we already have a perfect image prompt. And here you have to choose fiction because it will change your prompt again. So with this, click on generate again. Let's go to the next and put it in again and change this here again. Comic. With this, we generated most of the images in just a few seconds. You can see, for example, if you created the realistic type, you can create realistic images. Maybe they work better than my images. If you tried to do the same thing with realistic images, these are the ones that that Ideogram creates with Elon Musk face. I think this looks pretty good, and this is like a comic thing. I think this image here describes Elon Musk really good, so I will download this one. This one is also really good. This one, I think this one here is really good. This one here describes him really good, and also these ones also describe him really good. Okay, now that we created our images, let's go to the next part, creating our videos. So you can see that on Ray William Johnson's videos, they are not always videos. So most of the time it's just an image, or it's just some sort of image zooming in, transitions and text. So this is most of the time, but you can also do videos. I will show you in just a few steps. Go to video and go to image to video and just put in your videos and images that you just created. For example, let's start here and put it in here. You can just put in a prompt, or I don't really like that because you don't have to, and just click on create. And here, in just a few seconds, in just less than a few minutes, this will be generated for you. Okay, now let's hop to the editing part of this video. After we created all our content, it's time to create our final video. For that, we go to CapCut like always. Put in your AI avatar here and put him to the bottom of the screen. I will recommend you to start cutting all these silences out. So I will start at the beginning, cut out this silence, then go to this part, cut out this silence, and then go to this part and cut out this silence. The silences in a video are really will really make your views go down because people get bored really fast on TikTok. So cut out every single silence that you can see. With that, we have our talking avatar on the bottom, and we will start putting in the images to the story. So if I say in the voiceover something over Elon Musk, I will put in the image of him at the beginning of the video. So putting him in the right order. Next, you can also use images of the real life Elon Musk while he, for example, shows off rockets. You can do that too. Then just put in all the images in the right order. Put in a zoom in effect by clicking on transform and creating keyframes. You can create transformations and zoom ins and zoom outs. Use the animations. You can see that right here. Use animations and make it more exciting. Put in as many images of real life Elon Musk as you can, and create and use sound effects to make the video more exciting. Now that we created everything, go to the captions and click on generate. This will generate our captions for the entire video. Here you can now click on text and select any font that you like. Go to animation, go to captions, and create any animations that you like. For example, just every single word gets shown separately, or anything that you like. With that, we kind of created our entire video. You can obviously do a lot more, like transitions and more animations and better videos and better stuff, but this is the most simple thing that you can do. If you go to Ray William Johnson's account, you see that his videos are not really edited. It's just a simple video, a lot of sound effects, movements, and you can also, for example, use your entire your avatar on the entire screen, change it up a little bit so it's different all the time. That's it. Now it's time for you to create these videos and upload them on TikTok. If you want help from me personally, you can book your one-on-one call right now. So go down below in the description, click on the link and book a call. And if you want to learn more ways to make money using AI videos and AI tools, there's a video right now on the screen. You can click on that. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you next time.